Oh my goodness, I could not be more hyped for this. Welcome everybody. Oh, I think we already know by the title of the video and by the overall lethal aesthetic, but we're back in some Ratchet and Clank. And I say we're back, I'm back more rather, after like, I don't know, God, how long ago would that have been? Like 14 years ago? No, it had to be at least like 16 years ago. Oh my God, I'm an old man. All right, but hey, we're back, and we're obviously gonna click a new one. Now let's see. We got Rookie Explorer, perfect for beginners and casual heroes. I want to focus on story. Heroes cannot die during combat. Rookie Recruit, perfect for beginners and casual heroes. I want to focus on story. Rebel Agent, a balanced choice for more experienced players. Resistance Leader, for those who seek a greater challenge, requiring faster reflexes and tougher foes. For those who wish to battle the most brutal foes in any dimension. You know, I always go second to hardest. I always kind of feel like that's the best route there. You know what I mean? Okay, we are back. So, I just messed with the settings for a little bit. I actually did a quick little Google search to see if there was any, like, you know, known issues or anything that I should probably do, you know, non-spoiler, but more like, you know, anything that's like, this is game breaking. And obviously it's a Sony port, and I ain't gonna fake the funk. Sony ports are absolutely juicy on PC. I've played, now at this point, Spider-Man, God of War, Horizon. I feel like there was one more in there. There was some other one that I played in there, but all of them were money. None of them have been issues so far, so I'm quite excited for this. And a little quick recap for anybody who's like, wow, didn't we just get Detroit Become Human and like a Star Wars and then like another one? Well, it's a little bit of a headache there. The Star Wars episodes and clips really became like unplayable at a certain point into the second mission. Well, I guess you can call it a second area. The frames were horrible, and looking up everything online, it was kind of like, yeah, that's the problem. Like, there's not really anything that's like fixable, and it was like, if you can look past those bugs, you've got a really good story. And I'm not trying to record that, so we sold that or refunded that, holla, and got our money back. And that's how we got Ratchet and Clank. So hence why we're here. We got our difficulty selected, and we're ready to roll. Let's go, baby. Whoa. Whoa.
Members of the Resistance, report to your nearest intake facility immediately. We promise nothing nefarious will befall you. We promise. Resistance members, report to the VIP section of your nearest intake facility for compulsory behavioral modification. It will be fun.
Whoa. What's going on here?
Your suit seems to be working nicely, blending right in. There is the assistant, and there is the infobot.
Ooh.
Whew. Masterful work. Now get out of there and decrypt that thing.
Where is the infobot?
Your ship is up ahead. Where are you going?
It's okay. See? Just me. Rivet? Shh. Gotta go. Here, it'll help you get home. I designed it to be one size fits all, so it should... Thank you.
Whoa.
Don't you think it's weird to throw a celebration for us? I mean, we haven't done anything heroic in years. What if everyone thinks we're washed up? Oh, what if we are washed up?
Luckily, we will not need to perform any heroics. Unless you count smiling and waving.
Right.
Give a big welcome to the Grand Marshals of our parade, Ratchet and Clank! I, Captain Copernicus Leslie Clark, will be your host. With me, Skin McMars.
Wow.
And Rusty Pate.
What's up, dudes?
Wow! Haven't seen these guys in ages.
Give it up for our heroes! Yes! Folks, we have a momentous day in store for you. Starting with me! And ending with a surprise gift from Clank to Ratchet.
Oh, hold on a second. There is motion blur, and we do not want motion blur. Hold on. How did I not realize? Detail high. Ah, yes. Ah, yes. How about we keep it on like 15? Motion blur strength can be like 2. Film grain strength 2. Sharpness. Oh, actually, I think I remember sharpness in Spider-Man being one that we don't want to turn down, because that literally just makes it look blurry. Screen shake, sure. Full screen effects on. Okay. All right. Oh, I am the worst. I didn't accept any of it, did I? Oh, yeah, I did. Hold on. There you go. Oh, did I, what? Was it already? Okay, cool. Oh, much
Dear,
better.
must you tell the entire galaxy?
Wait, a gift?
Whoa.
For what?
Oh, you will see. It is awaiting us at the front of the parade route.
Well, we better get moving then.
It all started on planet Bell with Ratchet, a restless tinker, hungry for adventure. That night,
Okay.
Clank came crashing from the night sky. Ratchet rescued the defective warlock, and the rest is intergalactic history. And the crowd goes wild!
Wow.
They sure pulled out all the stops.
It is, flattering.
And now, our heroes will clear this festive barricade. Who could forget the Blarg invasion of Kerwar? Show the crowd some of those world-class sharpshooting skills. Well, once he grabs some ammo, of course. At last, the home is safe.
Hey, I think I found the wombat!
What is this supposed to be a reenactment of?
We got a bounty on your head, wombat!
Ratchet, I do not believe this is part of the show.
Oh man. Oh, we're actually getting into some war here.
Us?
I hope this is not about your gift. Hurry, we must get to the front of the parade route.
Oh dear! Activating Magna Boots!
Activating Magna Boots. Oh, okay, cool.
Smiling and waving, huh?
I would bet the blogs are behind this, or the Cragmites, or Dr. Nefarious.
Ha, no way! Nefarious has been retired longer than we have.
This is oh.
Our hero's favorite is the enemy.
Okay, all right, let's go. We gotta go. Are people getting killed, or oh, they're just fighting each other?
We can glide over.
Oh. Wait. Oh yeah, baby.
More goons incoming.
Oh my gosh. Does that thing get blown up eventually? Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, we're murdering all of our ammo, but we don't care. Come on. Blow up. Blow up. There's no way. It's on fire. This must mean that it's blowing up. Oh!
Let's take out that dropship and end this.
Oh yeah, well I'm down. I feel like we've already been doing that. Is there another dude alive, or is it just us fighting this thing? Oh, there we go. Funny.
Rusty, but not too bad.
Rusty.
And now, we reach the present of our hero's story. Ratchet, the last known Lombax, whose kind is lost in another dimension, will receive a mysterious gift from Clank.
I had a speech prepared, but considering that our event seems to be under assault, I will cut to the chase. Ratchet, I do not know where I would be without you. You are my closest friend, my teammate, and you have given up a lot to... I have repaired the Dimensionator, so you can travel through dimensions and find your family.
Yo, pal, what? Dr.
What?
Nefarious?
Ratchet and Clank! What a wonderful surprise! I didn't expect to see you here. Considering my goons were meant to annihilate you 8 minutes ago.
Oh, what do you want, Nefarious?
Yes! Can't anyone print in
Dimensionator away from Dr. Nefarious!
Yes, and quickly. Whatever he has planned, it cannot be good.
Oh my gosh.
You're still here? Of course you are. Why wouldn't you be?
I should have known Nefarious would try something like this.
Don't beat yourself up. This'll be just like old times. Come on, it looks like Nefarious landed somewhere near the train station. Oh, Mrs. Zircon. We should grab a weapon.
Need a weapon? Mrs. Zircon has it all.
Okay.
Boom! That is the sound of pure power. And the Enforcer, with its 2 barrels as sweet.
That one will look amazing in your arson.
More goons! Incoming!
More goons incoming! I love this. All right, here we go.
Last one! Let's go!
Oh my gosh! I literally thought we could just jump on the train. That's not a thing. What do we do? Oh, we just have to jump across. I am a major goof. We must hurry. Watch out, humans. These aren't humans. Watch out, other non-humans. Whoa. Whoa.
Put down the Dimensionator, Nefarious!
Put down the Dimensionator. Yeah, right. Today, you will see what losing feels like. Spoiler, it's exhausting. As soon as I figure out these stupid coordinates. Say goodbye! Hey! What did you do?
Oh my gosh. Whoa.
What just happened?
We may have a slight problem.
The bridge is shot! There has to be another way across.
The rifts are reacting to the face quartz in your glove. Try pointing it at one of them.
Did you see that?
That was rather exciting.
Whoa. The pterodactyls.
Whoa! Watch your head!
This is worse than I had imagined.
What the heck?
Sand
Oh
shark
my.
from above.
car. Oh. All right.
Might as well give up.
Was that a kraken?
Or at least a very large octopus.
Or at least a very large octopus. Any ammo out here? No. No. We need ammo. Oh, yeah.
Nefarious' ship! We've got to find a way up there!
The taxis leaving from that stand are driving right by him.
Then we better not miss our ride.
Okay, maybe we can't go up there.
Hey, when did you rebuild the dimensioning?
Oh,
I have
I did it again.
And I know that finding the Lombax...
Hey, when did you rebuild the dimensioning?
I have hobbies, and I know that finding the Lombaxes has always been important to you. I thought perhaps we could go together.
Wow, that's really fun.
Oh, you can do this from like anywhere, huh?
Why don't we get it back from Nefarious first?
Yeah, so we lost the Lombax at the taxi stand.
You what?
Mad respect for hiring us, but what do you need? Like a bonus for all this weird stuff?
A bonus?
Mad respect.
You generously.
Yeah, but like, my guy got dragged through a hole in the ceiling by a crack.
Jobs can be dangerous.
Hey, bro, I hear you. I see you. This wasn't in the contract.
I cannot believe this.
Calm down, bro. Slow down. Breathe with me.
Breathe with me. Jump. These guys are so chill. Why do we have to kill them?
Our ride's here. Next stop, Nefarious.
Wee.
These rifts are
my.
getting out of hand.
Nefarious is in way over his head.
What is that?
Whoa! Hey!
This is their time.
Did Dr. Nefarious really resurface after all these years just to try and take over the universe again?
Yeah, I kind of wish he was doing a worse job.
Oh gosh. Oh my.
Get to the boss! Those things stink!
More mutts.
Nice work, Ratchet.
You two, beast gold.
Nice
are
work,
yours,
Ratchet.
This is what I get for giving my assistant paid per ton.
Quickly, we cannot let Nefarious overuse the
Oh.
Dimensionator. We must lower his defenses.
Ah, did that hurt? Good.
Oh no.
Take that, Nefarious.
Watch your step.
Toads are so unpleasant. Oh dear, he is targeting us. His defenses are weakening.
Yes, run from me.
How many times have we heard that?
Oh gosh.
Probably around 80. No, it doesn't matter. Today,
Oh, I just cannot use that shotgun. Ah!
time.
That looked rather painful.
Oh, thanks. Oh, wow.
You think a crushing defeat is all it takes to stop me?
I mean, yes.
Well, think again! We're going to a dimension where I always win, so you can finally know how it feels.
Oh, whoa.
The dimensions are weakening considerably.
Oh.
How bad is it?
Well, it is certainly not good.
Whoa, look at this.
Where are we?
Beats me.
To the depths! How many arms you got?
What the heck?
Board it! Get off me, ship, foul creature! Did I do it? Or what? Is this... What's with all the neon?
This is the part where you lose.
Ratchet, the Dimensionator.
Whoa.
Ratchet? Oh dear, my arm. And no, the Dimensionator. What have I done?
What have you done?
Who are you?
Someone with a lot of questions. Let's go for a ride.
Yeah. Wait, I have to find my friend.
Whoa.
Hi? It's me? It's me! It worked! It worked! I am the winner!
Emperor Nefarious, you have returned early from your conquest.
Yes, Emperor!
Oh. Clank? Clank? Wombats? What is this place?
Oh man.
Where are
What
you,
a
Clank? Maybe
what
someone
an
around
awesome
here
first episode. That is so crazy. Let's go over here. What's going on? Nope, nothing? Okay. Well, that was nuts. Man, Dr. Nefarious, think, right? And then everything else, oh man, just so crazy. And also that was running really smooth, and it was really fun too. It's crazy. I was having to go a little crazy and having to jump around a little bit, you know, side to side, up and down, you know, to be able to get it working and get it looking. But hey, I loved it. I hope you all loved it. I'm gonna try to keep it like, you know, once we enter or, you know, exit a new area or really a mission, I'm gonna try to end it so that it's, you know, a little bit more succinct. But overall, I am big time hyped to play this through. I hope you all are excited for it. And hey, we're gonna be wrapping it here. Have a beautiful rest of your days and nights wherever you are. Drink some water. I'll see you in the next one.